Hey, I'm going to show everyone how to do an edit from an uploaded asset today. So in previous videos, we have shown how to edit from generations, and you can go to generations and you'll be able to see all of your generations. But today, I'm going to show you how to do it from an upload, and then also at the end, very quickly, how to do it from a collection. So I'm currently in our editor, and we're going to kick off by uploading a file. So I am looking for this file, which is a box that I liked, that I found, and I wanted to bring into the editor. So not going to show all of the edit functionality today. This is more about giving you a sense of an understanding of where things sit in the tool, but we will demo the logo edit so you can see that this can happen on an asset that isn't just a generated asset, that is actually a real photograph of a piece of packaging. So I've drawn my mask, not particularly perfectly, but let's keep going, and I will use our Regalia logo, our unique gemstones brand that we've been working on for a lot of these demo videos, and I'll hit generate, and in a moment we will get the results. Awesome. We've got less than a minute now on the wait, and this is looking really promising. So yeah, the logo seems to have been applied well, and it's understood that there's this kind of texture. It's also really nicely got the angling correct. So I'm going to pick the one that I like the best. I think probably that one. And I'm going to apply that edit. So now when I save this edit down, this is getting saved in a particular place. Where it's being saved is within your collections. You have a collection called default. So I'm going to navigate now to default collection. You can see one that I've done earlier, and I'm going to preview this edit. So this is now an uploaded image that we've changed the logo of, and you're able to view it within your default collections. What I want to be able to do though is I actually want to be able to add this into my Regalia Inspo collection. Actually, I want to be able to add it, sorry, into my Regalia finished product collection. And so I'm going to do that now, and I can navigate now to the Regalia finished product section. And there you go. There you've got my edit from an upload that is now living in a collection. Next quick thing to show you is how can I then make an edit from here. So let's take this design. And when I click into this design within the collection, I have a number of options: extract the artwork, do a number of other things, but I can also then edit. So if I click on all edits, that's going to bring the image from the collection into the editing suite. And I have the full editing suite able to move ahead here and make edits. So yeah, that's how you both upload an asset and edit it, and then also edit an asset from a collection. Enjoy.